Hello students, welcome you all on behalf of Resonance, myself SRN sir. आज 13th का शिफ्ट 2 पेपर देख रहे हैं अपन. चलो देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस गिवन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन Cr2O72 minus plus XH plus Fe2 plus is giving YYFe3 plus and Cr3 plus ZH2O. Find the value of X plus Y plus Z. सो ये इक्वेशन को एसिडिक मीडियम में बैलेंसिंग करना है और एक्स वाई जेड बताना है. तो इसमें एसिडिक मीडियम में बैलेंसिंग करने के लिए यहाँ तो देख लो 2 क्रोमियम एटम्स है, तो यहाँ भी 2 क्रोमियम एटम्स करेंगे और यहाँ 7 ऑक्सीजन है. सो ऑक्सीजन एटम्स को बैलेंसिंग करने के लिए वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऐड करेंगे तो 7H2O एंड हाइड्रोजन्स को बैलेंसिंग करने के लिए H प्लस ऐड करेंगे, दैट इज़ 14H प्लस. नाउ you can observe this is the balanced equation. In this x value is 14 and y value is 6 and z value is 7. So sum of x plus y plus z is 14 plus 6 plus 7, that equal to 27. The next question, barium ion cannot be precipitated as. In the qualitative analysis barium ion को हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे बाय एडिंग द reagent ammonium carbonate and ammonium hydroxide, and here barium carbonate is precipitated as white precipitate, barium sulfate is also a white precipitate, barium oxalate is also a white precipitate, but barium hydroxide is completely soluble in water. So the first 3 are precipitated as white precipitate and the fourth one is soluble completely. Next, this is from atomic structure. The orbit angular momentum of 3s electron is x h by 2 pi. Then find the value of x. Orbit angular momentum is nh by 2 pi. MVR equal to nh by 2 pi. इसमें for 3s orbital n value is 3. So x value can be 3h by 2 pi होगा. तो x equal to 3 होगा. Next, this is from solid state. In BCC lattice, edge length is given as 4 angstrom and radius of the sphere find करना है in angstrom units. So in the BCC lattice, the radius and edge length के बीच में relation है √3a equal to 4r. अब इसमें आपको find करना है r value. a is given, that is edge length is given as 4 angstrom. And if you find the radius, it will be 1.732 angstrom, and if you round off, it will be equal to 2. The next question, assertion, the bond angle of SO2 is greater than H2O. Reason दिया है, both SO2 and H2O have V shape. इसमें bond angle of SO2 is 119 degrees and for H2O it is 104 degrees 30 minutes or 104.5 degrees. इसमें SO2 का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है sp2 एंड इसमें ऑक्सीजन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है sp3. इसमें लोन पेयर्स है 1, इसमें लोन पेयर्स है 2. अब इसमें गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स दोनों सही है, असर्शन एंड रीज़न दोनों सही है, बट रीज़न इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. वी शेप होने से बॉन्ड एंगल SO2 का ज़्यादा नहीं है. यहाँ तो रीज़न है इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एंड नंबर ऑफ लोन पेयर्स. सो इसमें sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन और सिर्फ एक लोन पेयर है, इसलिए बॉन्ड एंगल इसका ज़्यादा है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द कोवैलेंसी एंड ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ boron in BF4 minus respectively. BF4 minus में covalency means number of shared electron pairs that equal to 4 and इसमें oxidation number हम check करेंगे तो boron का oxidation number is equal to 3. So answer, covalency is 4 and oxidation number is 3. Next one, what is the best method for the preparation of beryllium fluoride? This is the direct question from NCERT lines. So in the S block second group, the line directly given, thermal decomposition of NH4 twice BeF4. It is the best method for the preparation of beryllium fluoride. So when it is decomposed, it gives beryllium fluoride and this compound, that is ammonium fluoride beryllium fluorate plus ammonium fluoride. Next, the formula of borax is given as Na2B4OX OHY ZH2O. Find the value of X plus Y plus Z. इसमें बोरैक्स फार्मूला we know Na2B4O7 10H2O. It can be written like this: Na2B4O5 OH 4 times 8H2O. It is the anion, this is the cation. So, in that X, Y, Z, if you compare 5 plus 4 plus 8, that equal to 17. The correct increasing order of magnitude of enthalpies of formation of group 1 halides, that is sodium halides के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. तो इसमें enthalpies of sodium fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide, if you observe, it is 569, 400, 360 and 288. Magnitude ऑब्जर्व करें तो मैग्नीट्यूड क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सो इसमें आंसर इज 2, NaF ग्रेटर दैन NaCl ग्रेटर दैन NaBr ग्रेटर दैन NaI. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन A gives 2B plus C. Initial pressure of a reaction mixture is 800 mm of Hg, and if only A is taken initially. After 10 minutes, total pressure of the reaction mixture becomes 1600 mm of Hg. Find total pressure of the reaction mixture after 30 minutes in mm of Hg find करना है. चलो देखते हैं. A is giving 2B plus C. Initially T equal to 0, it is 800 mm, and after 10 minutes it is 800 minus P, 2P plus P, and it is given that the total pressure 800 minus P plus 2P plus P is equal to 1600. From this, P equal to 400. If P is 400, that means 800 minus 400 आधा हो गई. तो आधा होने के लिए टाइम 10 मिनट्स है, दैट मीन्स ये हाफ लाइफ टाइम हो गया. तो हाफ लाइफ टाइम इज 10 मिनट्स. इफ हाफ लाइफ टाइम इज नोन, वी कैन फाइंड नंबर ऑफ हाफ लाइफ्स by calculating T by T half, that equal to 30 by 10. 30 minutes given, so 30 by 10 equal to 3. Now from this formula Ct equal to C naught by 2 power n, n value is nothing but number of half lives. If you put this 800 by 2 power 3, it is 100 mm of Hg. That means after 30 minutes the pressure is 100 mm of Hg. Now it is P equal to 700 mm. Now PA will be 100, PB will be 1400 and PC will be 700, and total reaction mixture की pressure 100 plus 1400 plus 700, that equal to 2200 mm of Hg. So answer is 2200. The next question from coordination, the total number of stereoisomers of the complex COOX twice ClBr 3 minus R. इसमें COOX twice ClBr, it is in the form of AA twice AB, and it has two isomers, one is trans and cis. इसमें cis isomer is having dextro and levo, that means it is optically active, it is optically inactive, and since it is optically active, it has two isomers. Total number of isomers 3. Regarding Tyndall effect, the statement 1 is given, the diameter of the dispersed particles is not much smaller than the wavelength of the light used, and statement 2 is given, the refractive indices of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium differ greatly in magnitude. Both the statements are given in the NCERT and both the statements are correct. So the answer is both statement 1 and 2 are correct, because these two statements are the necessary conditions for the Tyndall effect. Next one from coordination, which of the following complex is more affected in presence of external magnetic field? In this, cobalt is in +3 state, it has 3d6 configuration, and in presence of +3 state, H2O acts as the strong field ligand, so T2G 222 configuration होगा. So इसमें number of unpaired electrons 0. And CO H2O 6 times 2 plus, CO is in +2 state, it has 3D7 configuration and there is 3 unpaired electrons. Nickel H2O 6 times 2 plus, nickel 2 plus has 3D8 configuration and it has 2 unpaired electrons. Zinc 2 plus has no unpaired electron. So the maximum number of unpaired electrons are observed in this complex only. So you can observe the magnetic moment or magnetic effect is more in case of COH2O 6 times 2 plus. So answer is 2. Next question. Calculate the pH of resultant solution obtained when 20 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH is mixed with 50 ml of 0.1 molar acetic acid, and pKa value is given, and from this mixture we have to check whether it is forming the buffer solution or salt solution. So if you take NaOH and acetic acid, it is 0.1 molar 20 ml, 0.1 molar 50 ml. Now if you calculate the millimoles, it is 2 millimole, it is 5 millimole. So this is the limiting reagent, so it will completely react and becomes 0, and the number of millimoles of acetic acid left are 3 and number of millimoles of sodium acetate formed are 2. Now from the acidic buffer solution formula, because it is forming the acidic buffer, the acid, weak acid and salt of strong base weak acid is obtained. So it is making the buffer solution. So in the buffer solution, acidic buffer solution, we have to calculate pH. So pKa is given as 4.74 and salt solution concentration is, it is 2 moles out of 70 ml and 2 millimoles in 70 ml and it is 3 millimoles in 70 ml. Now it can be on calculation 2/3 होगा. So इसमें ये log 2 minus log 3 value put करेंगे, you will get minus 0.18 and 4.74 minus 0.18 will be equal to 4.56, and if you round off it will be equal to 5. So you have to report nearest integer means it will be 5. This is from solution colligative properties. 23% by mass of NaCl and 19.5% by mass of magnesium chloride are present in water. If the degree of dissociation of both salts is 100%, find the normal boiling point of salt water. इसमें पहले हम find करेंगे total weight of solutes. So total weight of solute in the solution is 23 plus 19.5, it is equal to 42.5 gram. Total weight of solvent in the solution is 100 minus 42.5, it is equal to 57.5 gram. Now delta TB equal to I into Kb into m, it is number of moles of NaCl are 23 by 58.5, 0.39. Number of moles of MgCl2 are 19.5 by 95, it is 0.20. Now delta TB equal to I of NaCl is 2 and number of moles 23 by 58.5 into 1000 by 57.5, it is the molality. Next, for MgCl2, I value is 3 and it is number of moles of MgCl2 19.5 by 95 into 1000 by 57.5, it is the solvent weight, into Kb value 0.52. This on solving we will get 12.66, and now the boiling point of solution is delta TB equal to TB minus TB naught. This is given as 12.66, it is 12.66, and solvent means water, इसका TB naught value 100 degree Celsius. If you bring this 100 degree Celsius this side, you will get 100 plus 12.66, it can be 112.66, and if you round off it will be 113 degree Celsius. The next question, this is from electrochemistry. Which of the following is oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium? Cl minus, Br minus, Br minus, I minus, Br minus and I minus. इस तरह दिया है. इसमें reduction potentials if you observe I2, to I minus 0.54, Br2 to Br minus 1.09, O2 to H2 it is 1.23, Cl2 to Cl minus 1.36. From electrochemical series, if you observe, the reduction potential order will be Cl2 greater than Br2 greater than I2. Oxidation potential order I2 greater than Br2 greater than Cl2. So, I minus and Br minus ions will easily get oxidized. This is from mole concept. When 1 gram of M2CO3 reacts with HCl, it gives 0.01 mole of CO2 gas. Find the molar mass of M2CO3. When M2CO3 reacts with HCl, it is giving MCl, H2O and CO2. And from 1 gram of M2CO3, we are getting 0.01 mole of CO2. If we apply POAC for this carbon atom, now the number of moles of M2CO3 into 1 equal to number of moles of CO2 into 1, and from this number of moles can be calculated by mass by molar mass into 1, and here number of moles is 0.01 into 1, and on calculation we are getting the molar mass of M2CO3 as 100 gram per milliliter, 100 gram per mole. So, answer is 100. Molar mass of M2CO3 is 100. Okay students, that is it for today, and we will meet again in the next paper. Thank you.